Mom and Dad. I guess you're out. I'm sorry that I didn't call sooner, but the first few days here have been very exciting. I bought the smallest and sweetest car, and I'm driving further up the coastline every day. The light is so soft and warm that I wake up every morning just to see the sunrise. I would love to do this forever. I don't even know where to start to tell you about all the things that I did here for the first time. But don't worry, I'm not doing anything dangerous. There were a few challenging moments along the way too, but I guess that's part of the fun, right? I take photos and videos every single step on my way, and I cannot wait to show you. I miss you guys so much, but I think I have to stay here a bit longer. There's so much left to explore. Well, talk to you soon, guys. Love you. Bye.